Yamaha continues to sell model variants of the internationally popular Enduro Tenere 700 and combines equipment packages. World Rally based on World Raid with 2 tanks with a total of 23 liters of fuel, and with titanium dampers from Akrapovic. According to Yamaha, the new World Rally variant is now the new top tenner. It celebrates the sporting success of the time with its iconic factory racing colors: navy blue, neon pink and silver, inspired by Stefan Peter Hansel's Dakar bicycle race from 1993. World Rally is most closely related to the famous Tenere 700 World Raid, which takes over 2 gas tanks on the side for a total volume of 23 liters. A chassis that's proven fit to rely on with inverted telescopic forks and spring struts is also from World Raid, each fully adjustable, including 230mm of spring travel up front and 220mm of spring travel at the rear. In addition, there is an Öhlins steering damper which can also be adjusted. Also, a flat 2-piece seat that allows you to attach a luggage rack instead of a pillion pad. In addition, there is a lighter titanium silencer from Akrapovic, straight from the factory like the Rally variant, but silver instead of black. The advantage of the 2-piece fuel reservoir with 2 caps is the relatively advantageous arrangement of the 2 tanks, which pull down to the sides. Based on the famously low fuel consumption, inline 2-cylinder engine of about 75 horsepower, between 4 and 5 liters per 100 kilometers, there is a range of between 460 and 575 kilometers. The Tenere 700 World Rally also offers a choice of 3 switchable views in the cockpit: digital, analog, or roadbook style. Additionally, the 5 inches color screen can be connected to a smartphone with the free My Ride app installed, so text message and incoming call notifications are displayed. The ABS, which can be set in 3 modes, allows adjustments to be made for on-road or off-road. The inner tread sizes on the Tenere are Enduro Native 2, 90 divided by 9-21 at the front and 150 divided by 7-18 at the rear, and seat height, 890mm.